How to solve the problem of fitness for the working class people of India. Friends, India is the one of the most populated country of the world. Even we hold the second rank after China. But in terms of density, we are the most populated country. That's why we are among the top countries who has the problem of health issues and the overweight. In India, 7 out of 10 corporate executives are already overweight, and the average female overweight is much higher than the male's overweight issues. That's why, friends, we need to take care of our health and we should give priority to our health in our life. But unfortunately, it is not a choice of many people until and unless they reach a age where or reach a point where they do not have anything else to do that how to take care of their health now. On that time, a doctor gives you a pill, and after that prescription that now you need to take care of your fitness by doing the right dieting and right workouts in your life. Friends, in this video, I'm going to cover up the topic that how the working class people of India can transform themselves while working in their office with the help of diet and workouts. Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert. I'm on the mission to transform working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as Automatic Metabolism Reset System. Friends, working class is a kind of a class which is developing the country into the most scientifically way, into the most growth way, into the most developing way in the world. That's why we need to take care of our health, and health becomes priority because of this. I still remember that when I used to work in my corporate world, on that time when I was becoming the fit, on that time I became ashamed. I became the kind of a person who do not feel any kind of a shyness while having or while doing something about your fitness. I was the manager, I was in the sales, and many of the time those people who were junior to me, they used to see me that what I'm doing, and those people who were seniors to me or who understand the meaning of the value of fitness, but they do not know the how to do the fitness and how to dare to have the fitness in their life. I have seen many of the people, and there must be something common between you and me, that many people they take fruits, flax seeds, and the other nutritious food in there while they are working, but still they are not getting the result because there is a way to do these things, and it's a skill which a person must learn about it. Friends, the number one thing which I would like to talk about, that you should be dare to have the nutritious food in your working. What I have seen that people who are overweight, they want to set in that very overweight peoples. That's why they are also having the kind of a vegetables and chapatis in their tiffin along with some salad. But the proportion and the value of the nutrition is something different. There should be a lean sources of protein like the chicken breast, like the egg whites, like the paneer, tofu. So if you carry those things in your tiffin and lunch box, then it will help you out. And if there are midday meals, many of the people what they opt at the time of 4 p.m. and 11 a.m. they opt for a tea along with some snacks. But you can opt for some fruits and some lean sources of protein or some supplements of proteins into your daily schedule. So it will impact your life so much. I also used to do, and it has impacted my fitness, and it took my fitness to the another level while I was working. The second thing which you need to do, that you dare to walk. Whenever I meet my clients, most of my clients, they belong to the working class, and that's why I give them the instruction that whether you are not doing your workouts in a perfect way, but you need to do the walking in your office, one after a lunch and second once you finish your office. In that way they are doing walking. Walking is really a great exercise. It does not need any special clothing, it does not need any special instrument into it. Whenever, wherever, however you want to do, you can do. and it is a proven fact that the exercise does not make impact in your life, but your active lifestyle gives you fitness in your life. So that's why I am also more concentrate about that. But although you need to do some workouts also, but whether you are perfect or not, because it has taken so much time for me to get the perfection in the workouts, so it is your journey also. But for the walking, you do not need any assistance, just walk. The third thing which I would like to tell to you, that be in the Buddha mode for some time, or keep your phone in the Buddha mode for some time. Many people going to ask to me that what is this Buddha mode? Buddha mode is this, that your phone is on aeroplane mode. Your system is on the no disturbance or DND mode. For the sometimes, whether at the time of a lunch, whether at the time of the evening snacks, try to keep your phone on the Buddha mode or the silent mode or the no notification mode or the aeroplane mode for a 1 hour. It can be your lunch and it can be your special work which you are doing in your office. Friends, it will impact your life so much, because while doing your work you are concentrating on one single thing, and in 21st century the devil tool to make you unhappy is the phone. So that's why don't try to get yourself away from the phone while you are working, even for a 1 hour, and you will see the changes into you. On that time I suggest to you, just go for some nutritious food or go for some walks. But if you are going to do this thing, then you will see the big changes in your life. So friends, these are some of the 3 things which I wanted to tell to you. Friends, I have created a course known as Automatic Metabolism Reset System. It's a 5-day WhatsApp class which has the 5-day course that how you can make changes in your diet. Friends, link I'm giving you in the description so that you can join. Right now, as of now, the charges is around 99 rupees only. In these 5 days, you're going to get the how to structure a diet. Not only this, you're also going to get the 5 meditation, 5 diet schedules, 5 time workouts along with me. So if I'm connecting with you, feel free to join me. Friends, there are some other social links also in the same description link. The links like my Facebook group, usually I do my workouts in my Facebook group so that you can understand and learn about the workouts, that how to do the workouts home based from the benefit of your home. And I also created Telegram group, which is a forever group where I'm going to put all the things like my podcast thing, like my YouTube videos, all the things, so that you will be I will keep you informed in future about the health and fitness and how you can adapt the fitness in your life forever. Friends, if you want to read about something more about me, then I am giving you a link of my site also. Just enjoy my blogs over there. Friends, these all are the description and links where you can connect with me, because I want to connect with you. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.